Alright, today we're going to be going over the front camera switches for Toyota and Lexus. We've got 4 wires back here. This green one you're going to want to connect to a ignition source, and these 2 here are the same color, but the one closest to the green here is going to be for your switch power as well. You'll want to hook that one up to the camera. We've got this wire here, which is actually for the backlight of the switch itself, so you would hook that up to the illumination wire of the vehicle. And then black here is going to be your ground. So whenever you hook it up, if you don't have illumination on, it'll look just like this. If you press the button, it'll light up, and it'll power the camera, and the camera will appear on the radio. And we've also got the illumination hooked up here, so say you did have your headlights on, and you had it hooked up to illumination, it would light up like this. And then when you press the button, it'll light up the top part of the button, and of course appear up there. The only other connections you're going to need for this are just going to be your camera. Your camera will be plugged into the VAUX cable here. And that plugs into the camera AV1 slot on the V-line. We've got it hooked up to V1. And then outside of that, you'll want to power the camera, which like we said earlier, you're going to be powering it off of this cable right here. And then you'll just need to hook it up to ground as well.